Hi, I'm Inspector Brian McKillop of the Hawkesbury OPP Detachment. Today we're doing a joint force initiative with the Hawkesbury OPP Detachment, Highway Safety Division from the OPP, as well as our Ministry of Transportation, Ministry of Revenue. What we're doing today is a commercial motor vehicle inspection initiative. It's a joint operation with the OPP from Hawkesbury Detachment, as well as Highway Safety Division, our Ministry of Transportation, as well as Minister of Revenue. We've also had the opportunity this morning to work with our counterparts on the Quebec side of the bridge. Essentially, what our job or role here today is to promote public safety, to make sure that the commercial motor vehicle drivers, as well as their vehicles and the equipment they're using, is being held accountable to the highest standard of care that's expected of professional truck drivers in the province of Ontario. These are professional truck drivers driving commercial motor vehicles that are very large in size down the highway with normal-sized normal-sized vehicles, and we have to ensure that they're doing it in the most safe way possible. So today we've stopped multiple commercial motor vehicles. Several infractions have been laid, and rest assured, if there's any unsafe vehicles, we're going to ensure that the drivers and operators are being held accountable.